off-grid watering system. I'm trying to cut down on mains water usage and electricity usage, try and save some money and the environment, etc. So just rigged this one up. IBC, 1,000 litres coming off the shed roof. It then passes through a micron filter and then up into the pump housing and out the other side, and it's all run off of solar. And I've literally just finished wiring it together, so we'll see what the pressure's like now, see if it's any good or not. The battery's pretty low, but we'll see. Well, there you go. I think we can quite honestly say that's a bit of a success. Seems to work quite well. So all we've got to do is get some more IBCs in place and save some more water. Take you for a little close-up of it now. So I've got a fair old size shed really. I've got a lot of roof space up there. It can catch a lot of water, and I've got it coming down through the pipe here. Took a little bit of messing around to get it right, but it's got the water going straight into the IBC. I've got to fit an overflow to it and put that off somewhere out the way, and basically the water comes out at the bottom at the tap there and then follows this pipe round. This will all be tidied up eventually, and there's the micron filter, and then the water feeds back out the other end of the micron filter up into the pump chamber, where we've got a solar charger charging the battery down there. He's trickling in at the moment. It's pretty grey and overcast here. That then goes to a SureFlow pump, and I've got an accumulator, pressure accumulator tank on that as well. Helps boost the pressure a little bit, and then it runs off back down through the green pipe, and that's the outlet. It's all working, and I'm quite pleased with it. I think the solar panel and the charger unit cost me 35 quid. The pump cost me £30 second hand, and there it is, just a little 25 watt solar panel driving the whole lot. And what I'll do is, like I said just now, I'll put some more IBCs alongside and connect them all together, and then we should have plenty enough water to sort the garden out for the summer. There we go, nice little project. Keep on gardening.